Hi, everyone. It's Rob Patterson, President and Chief Executive Officer of Alterna Savings. This is the time of the year that we would normally be out in the course raising money for Candlelighters to help children that are going through cancer in our national capital region. But we've taken it virtually this year. The reality is kids with cancer, unfortunately, doesn't stop because of COVID. And so, the money that we're raising is more critical now than ever before. One of the things we had to do was obviously talk to our key sponsors that were supporting this year's Candlelighters fundraise. And I am ecstatic to say that all of our supporters stayed on. And, one of those key supporters is our title sponsor, which is TELUS. And when we reached out to TELUS, there was absolutely no hesitation to continue their support, continue on as title sponsor. And so it's great to be here today with Keith Noguera, the Senior Vice President from TELUS. Keith, great to see you. Thank you so much for your ongoing support to Candlelighters and to the Alterna Classic. And look, how are you doing? How's your team been doing during COVID?
Oh, we've been doing very well and going through some rough times, but pulling together as a team and working well together, as well as with partners like Alterna. Because at TELUS, building stronger, healthier, more sustainable communities and helping those who need our support the most have always been the core of our values and purpose. And in response to the ongoing public health crisis, we're using the power of our world-leading technology, reliable resources, and amazing people to help those most impacted with COVID-19. And also keeping Canadians safe and connected to what matters most is and remains our top priority. Plus, it's been our pleasure working with Alterna and your team during the pandemic. There's a lot of challenges and changes, and we've helped Alterna roll out new mortgage deferral products, also moving Alterna to paperless billing using our bill analyzer. So really a collaborative approach with our two teams.
That's great. And you've been a fantastic sponsor and supporter of Alterna and how we're moving ahead in our strategy. A lot of people are probably interested in all the other things going on at TELUS. So what are some of the big things that TELUS is doing, TELUS is expanding into?
We're expanding to many different areas, rolling out a 5G, enhancing our penetration into the financial sector, building more services, as well as more connectivity and digitization. As an example, since 2014, TELUS Financial Solutions has provided Alterna with management and hosting of its core banking application, as well as additional development services. And last year, in 2019, we migrated Alterna to our infrastructure on the TELUS private cloud. Also, in 2019, we implemented Assist Real Estate, which links the legal community and Alterna together to digitize the mortgage and make more of the automation and also a better member experience. Additionally, TELUS Business Solutions provides Alterna with a myriad of different services, including corporate mobility services, ongoing security testing as required, and full support of your TELUS private cloud. So truly a partnership and a growing partnership over the last 6 years.
Well, and I can tell you, we switched to TELUS mobile on our mobile services in the last year, and it's been amazing. And the coverage was fantastic during the start of the pandemic. So really, appreciate that. We're really thankful that we did the move. So, you didn't hesitate when we reached out to talk to you about maintaining being the title sponsor, continuing to help Candlelighters and the work they're doing, with kids with cancer in the National Capital Region and their families. How does Candlelighters fit into your mission and values of TELUS? And you were so quick to respond. So, talk to us a bit about that.
Yeah, we believe strongly at TELUS, we give where we live. So at TELUS, we believe in building stronger communities and helping the most vulnerable among us. That includes a commitment to ensuring all youth have the opportunity to reach their full potential. We've also established a TELUS Friendly Future Foundation, which helps give vulnerable kids a brighter future through education, technology by supporting grassroots charities in communities across Canada. And by supporting organizations like Candlelighters, we believe we can help improve the health and well-being of children and their families. So we're very proud in partnership with Alterna supporting Candlelighters again this year.
Fantastic. Keith, thank you so much to you and the entire TELUS team for the support. I know Jocelyn, who runs Candlelighters, really appreciates it. We're trying to raise over $100,000. We're going to have an online auction starting on the 24th to try and raise some additional funds. But we're really hopeful that we're going to be able to continue to raise the money to allow them to take care of those families. So TELUS has been a huge part of that, especially being our title sponsor. Thank you so much for everything that you and your team have done to continue the support. Really appreciate it.
And thanks to you and Alterna for your ongoing partnership and commitment. And you have our full commitment, both as a partner and as a sponsor on a go-forward basis.
Thanks so much, Keith. Take care.
Thank you.